Assalamu alaikum guys. So in this master class, I will teach you the best skill, which is finding the problem in the businesses, and you can also use this skill as a client hunting skill. So I will teach you each and everything, from beginner to advanced. I will teach you each and everything in this class. So you just need to follow the step which I will tell, and you just need to watch the video till end. So that's it, and that's how you will learn the complete process. For more information, you can also follow my WhatsApp channel where I share valuable resources and information. So if I tell you what I will teach you in next some minutes, this would be like you just have to find the problems in the businesses, and I will also teach you that how you can find the problem in the businesses, and you will get paid from my side in dollars. And if you get a high ticket client, then I will pay you in some thousands and hundred of dollars. So now it's up to you that which type of client you hunt. The process for the client hunting would be same. So now it's upon your skills, like how you convince them, and like that. So that's it. And let's go to my screen, and I will teach you the process. Here are some slides of our masterclass. So you will spot the problem and earn on it. And in this complete masterclass, I will tell you that how to find business problem and get paid without skills. And also you will learn that how you can hunt clients. So guys, you will learn that how to identify the real businesses problem, where to find these problem, and online, offline, and how to connect with them and get paid, how to connect with them and to me and get paid, and how to start earning with a zero investment. So after that, the referral system, and what is the business problem is, and after that, real examples like dentist with the no Google listing. So you will learn each and everything. So let's figure out that how to identify the real business problem. So guys, you have two options. Like if you want to identify a problem, you have two options. Like you can also find the problem without internet. Go in the market, go in the local market, and you will see that how the businesses are doing their work. So you can also find the problem, and you can also find the problem there, and you can also know the solution. And also you have the second option is that join the Facebook groups, LinkedIn, Instagram, Google search, Fiverr and Upwork, and local businesses listing on some website, like you can say databases. And the second option is that which I have told you before, like you can go in a local markets, and so you can search for service providers, saloons, mechanics, clinics, and a few school, colleges, and anyone using WhatsApp groups for the businesses. So like you just need to figure out who is doing the work, and the work is not proper, and you can also figure out who is not doing the actual work online. So that's how you will find the problem. So I think so that the offline and personal network is the best option. But if you want to do it professionally, then the first option would be better. So first of all, we will discuss the offline and personal network. So just figure out who is doing freelancing around you, who is you can also you can also tell your relatives that, like you are doing you can help them, and like that. You can also look for local shopkeepers. If you are in US, if you are in any other country, developed country, then you can visit local market. But if you are in Pakistan, then you must have to visit posh areas where the local shopkeepers are also rich. So you can you can go for this. And you can also visit schools and colleges in Pakistan or any other country if you so here the most of the works are manual. And you can also visit government offices where the people are doing work manually and spending their too much hours, and you can also visit some of these places which I have told you, like saloons, mechanics, and clinics. So now discover the platforms, now discover the opportunity on the internet. So first of all, the best thing you can use to find this is Google. Just come in a Google and search for first of all, I will search for businesses in US. So I am searching for the businesses in US because you need to search for the specific businesses, like car businesses in US. I am searching for car businesses in US or any other businesses in US because these businesses pay more than like Pakistanis or Indian people. So here I am not getting the desired result. So we can also search for um, car dealerships in US. Yes, now here is a thing which I want to show you. So now here are some results where you can find the businesses. So this is to like if you now you are thinking that this is totally manual, how we can scratch how we can search each and every number of the business and how we can contact. So I will also let you know the automation step, like how you can automate this process. You just need to search this like this, and after this you need to install a plugin. Search, go to the Google Web Store, and you will see the second website, and search here instant data scraper. You can also go for any other, but I am using this right now. Instant ILSTA, instant device. Yes. This one. So you just need to add to Chrome, add extension. So this extension will help you to put the leads out like this, and we will wait some time, and I think so this is installed. So now you just need to activate. Yes. So now you will see the whole process, how this process will work. So yes, now the leads are in the sheets, the contacts number are also in the sheet, and you just need to import in CSV, XLSV, whatever you want. So just see, like I have told you, like how you can search for any businesses. Like this is the, you can say this is just a introduction. You can also search for any other businesses like car dealers in Germany, and you can also search for any other businesses. So this is the way, that's how you can find the businesses. Now I will now I will share you that how you can find the opportunity. Like just you need to find their website, or so here is the website. So if you see that there is a business profile, but they don't have any type of website, or their website is not good, so you can let them know. You can let me know. First of all, you need to let them know that you are providing them services, but you can also tell them that we have a business, we have a team. So that's how this process will work. So you just need to come on this website and figure out what are the problems in the website. So you can also do this, like copy the link of this website and search for SEO audit. Like SEO free audit tool. So just paste the link here, and this will create a complete report for the website. So that's how you will see that if their website is not properly SEO optimized, and if you see that their website let me show you. Now you will see that their website has no chatbot. They have just only WhatsApp, and if the person is on WhatsApp, then you must have to tell them that we can also create a system in which you don't need a sales, you don't need a manager, and like that. So that's how you will tell them, and that's how you will find the opportunity. And after that we will hope so your concept would be clear. And now go on the Facebook ads library. This is the second method in which you will go to the Facebook ads library, and here you will search the desired country. I am selecting here US, and I am searching for ad category, all ads, um, kitchens, no, food. So here you will see that the businesses, yes. So there you will get the uh, just a minute, let me find something else. Germany, all ads. So this process might be boring, but these are the process. That's how you will get the clients. So we will search for the food. So you can search for the businesses like car dealership and car dealer. And after finding the business, you can contact them and also let them know that whether they are doing mistakes and like that. And after doing the meta ads library, we will go to, yes, that's how you will find the opportunity. And after that we will search on LinkedIn ads library. So we will search. So I think so this might be difficult because I am not using this, and you can search it for you can search for it on chat GPT. I want to search for businesses in LinkedIn in ads library. So let you know how to find. Basically, I haven't used this before because there are much opportunities on Facebook and Google. So I think so I don't need to go anywhere else. So now we will discuss another platform, which is TikTok. You can also find the opportunity here, like you can search for the businesses and for example food here, and you will see the businesses here, and you can also contact them and promote your service. Yes, that's how you will promote. And after this, I think so our response ready. Yes, yes, add another page, use the LinkedIn sponsored ad. So I think so I don't need to cover LinkedIn because I have already covered much platform. There are too much opportunities in this platform which I have already told you. So I don't think so okay, we need to go in complications. So here you can also find opportunity like business yes, business like you can just search for no, yeah. So you can contact those people, and you can also let them know that you also need website. This would need complete research, so this would be manual process, but this would be very fruitful. So you can also go for this. Now we will discuss something else. So I think so I have covered LinkedIn, I have told you that how you can approach on people on LinkedIn, TikTok, and Instagram is also same. You can also search. We can also search for Instagram, and well, I don't have any account on Instagram, so I think so you can do this by yourself, because this is too much simple. Like, you can just create an account and search for the businesses, food, and like these keywords. Well, let me show you that how you can search for this. Um, I am using social platforms for client hunting. So let me know some keywords which I can use to find business owners, business owners and service providers. So that's how you will know that which keyword can be used. So business owners, founder, startup founder, CEO, entrepreneurs, small business. So you can search keyword like this. So I think so this might be enough. And now you have too much opportunity. According to me, only Google and Facebook ads library is enough, because on Google you can search for multiple, you can search for co-founders in US. So there you will get the whole detail, and you can also use databases like Yelp. So here you can find the restaurant, dentist, and each and everything. So now you can I think so now you can find clients on your own, and that's how the process will work. So let's move on toward our next thing, which is so where to find the business problem offline or online. I have already covered this, and how to connect with them. I also told you that how to sorry, I haven't covered this problem. You just need to let them know that let me show you that how you can contact them. First of all, we need Google. We need to restaurants in Germany. So here is the well, just a minute. I'm trying to find out his contact information. Um, Guys, yes, here is an I don't know what it is. So guys, here it is, the email. So you can just email them, just copy their email or contact number, and I am using Gmail, but you can also use your professional email to get better response. So you just need to compose the email and know what is their name. So I think so this is their business name. So, and their website is too much simple. You can also promote them web designing services, like their website is not completely defined what they are doing. Just there are just these details. So you can translate this page and figure out the problem, and here you can write the email to them. So here you will write the subject like you are missing the main. I think so. We have another opportunity. They were running the ads on the Google, so I can promote them as our SEO services. So I think so. There are you are missing the you are missing free traffic, free traffic on Google, which your competitors are not. And now we will write the email like I have seen your website. You were running paid ads on Google PPC. Your competitors are ranking on Google without any type of paid advertisement. So I think so you must have to avail this opportunity, and we will do each and everything for you. You just need to work on your business, and we will do the else. So I think so this might be enough. So now you have to just copy this email and on ChatGPT start new chat, and you will tell the ChatGPT that act as an email expert who can write the highly when emails. Please make my email as good as you can. I think so that's enough, and now paste this, and this will give you an email. So now we will copy this, and we will paste in it. So we need to remove this. Their name, very IP. Quickly on I just been quick click on your the restaurant. So after this I think so we just need to add our number here, like I will add here 0 9 and so I think so. The contact mentor Sama at the rate Gmail. So I think so that's enough. And slots. You can also provide here your link, but I think so this might be. Uh, s- so we will delete this. Audit. And I think so that's enough. So now you can send it, and that's how you can contact them, and after receiving the response you can also continue the conversation. So that's how you will find the clients, and you will contact them, and now you can start earning with the zero skills. So now I will let you know that how does the referral system will. You will find the client, and I will fix the problems in their business, and you will earn. And first of all, you need to spot the issue and connect the business to with me, and I will handle the project, and you will get the commission on the project base. And what is a business problem? So as I have told you that their bad visibility, like SEO, outdated and slow website, and I just as I have told you, multitasking, and no chatbots, no booking and funnel automation. And you can also look for the dentist with the no Google listing, Instagram seller with the no proper site, and factory manager doing manual work, and look for saloons and dent and each and everything. And where to find the opportunities? You can also search in the Google, Facebook groups, as I have told you before, and LinkedIn, and Google search. And I think so I have covered all of these points, and as this is already covered. And you can also ask these questions. Do you want more customers? So they will obviously reply yes. And are they manually doing are you manually doing anything digital and can automate? So you can, this is the thing which you have to do. And can they afford? So I think so you can also know that whether they afford this type of service or not. If they don't afford, don't contact them, because we need that audience which can pay, and we can get commission. You can get commission on it. And how to refer a lead? Simple message: hey, I know someone who can fix the problem, and can I connect with you? So this is another thing which you can do. And after that, what I will do, I will audit the business, and create the solution, and close the deal, and update you, and send you the commission. So start today. Look around you, and spot the gap, message me, and get paid. So that's the thing that I want to teach you. And I think so now you can find any type of client on any type of platform. I have covered too many platforms. So now it's about execution. Start today, and get paid. And I think so this workshop is enough for this. And if you have any question, you can let me know below in a comment box. And if you want to get updated, and if you want to get valuable knowledge, then you can also follow my WhatsApp channel. Thanks for watching video, and inshallah we will meet in the next video.